Good day, everyone. Welcome to I Square Maths Academy, where numbers and variables actually meet mastery. Yes, we are going to be looking at another section of transposition of formula. Yes, this question is a very sensitive question, and let's watch to the end. Now, in this case, we're giving x is equal to n all over 2. Yes, in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 times d, and we're asked to make n the subject. Now, if you recall, this is the formula for finding or calculating the sum of the first n terms of an arithmetic progression. That is a linear sequence. So now, in this case, we're asked to make n the subject. Now, solution. Here we have x is equal to n all over 2 in bracket 2a plus. If you expand this bracket inside, this will be nd. Yes, nd minus d. Yes, nd, n times d is nd, n minus 1 times d is minus d. Yes, so it means s will be equal to, we have n all over 2. Yes, before the step. Now let's multiply through by 2. Let's multiply via by 2. Yes, to remove the fraction. So if you're multiplying through by 2, we have 2 in bracket x is equal to 2 in bracket n over 2. Then we have 2a plus nd minus d. Yes, the whole of this. So those 2 will go with those 2. So here we'll be left with 2s is equal to, we have n in bracket 2a plus nd minus d. So here we have 2x will be equal to, now n times 2a is 2an plus n times nd is n squared d, n times minus d is minus nd. Yes, minus nd. And of course, this is the same as saying the whole of this. This is the same as saying 2x is equal to, we have n squared d, yes, minus nd plus 2an. Yes, and of course, it's also the same as saying 0 is equal to n squared d minus, this is d place, minus nd plus 2an minus 2s. Yes, taking this plus 2x to the other side to change the minus. So it means n squared d minus nd plus 2an minus 2x is equal to 0. Yes, because left hand side is equal to right hand side. Yes, now in this case, let's do this. Here we have n squared d minus, now let's look at this now. N is common here. So we have d, yes, we have d. Now this will change to minus. Yes, this will change to minus because minus times minus is plus. So we have d minus 2a. Yes, and here we have n. Yes, n is common. Then here we have minus 2x is equal to 0. Yes, it's equal to 0. Now it means here we have n squared d minus, we have d minus 2a. Yes, then n minus 2x is equal to 0. Now please, I want us to compare this with this. Now remember the general quadratic equation. Ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So here, after completing the square, we got x is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Yes, all over 2a. Now let's look at this equation very well. Now if you look at this, we have n squared, we have x squared, we have d minus 2a, then n. Then here we have x. So here it means our a here is equal to d. Yes, a here is equal to d. Now b, our b is equal to minus in bracket d minus 2a. Yes, in bracket d minus 2a. And the value of our c is minus 2s. Yes, minus 2s. Now applying this general quadratic formula, it means the value of our n will be equal to, we have minus b. Now remember our b here is minus in bracket d minus 2a. Yes, Then we have plus with minus the square root of b square. Our b square is minus in bracket d minus 2a. Yes, all squared minus 4ac. Our a is d. Yes, and our c is minus 2s. Yes, it's minus 2s. Now all over 2a. All over 2a. And a is d. Yes, a is d. So it means n will be equal to minus will change to plus. We have d minus 2a plus or minus, yes, the square root of, now this square will change this minus to plus. So it means here we'll be left with d square, yes, d square minus, we have 4, this times this. That is 4ad plus 4a square, yes. Then here we have plus 4 times d times this, that will give us 8ds or 8st all over 2d. Yes, all over 2d. Yes. Now it means the whole of this now will be equal to, we have n will be equal to d minus 2a, yes, plus or minus the square root of, we have this, yes, and this. So that will give us d square minus 4ad plus 4a square plus, here we have 8sd all over 2d. Yes, all over 2d. So here we have actually made n the subject. So thank you so much for listening. Remember to like and share with your friends. God bless you.